Hi everyone, welcome back. Sort of the end, I suppose, of part one of the build. So it's all back together now. So what I'm actually hoping is to get out on this in the next week or so, just to give it a shakedown, a bit of a rundown, and then we'll think about going a little bit further with it. Or we don't know yet. I'll just fired it up. As you saw from the video, just got a few little bits and bobs to finish off. I've just got a little bit of smoke blowing from the header, probably around one of the gasket areas. I can sort that out, that's no problem. And the rear brake, I've tried a couple of times to bleed it, but it's not having any of it, so possibly the little brake mass cylinder might need a bit of a semi rebuild on it, so I'll get that ordered this week and get that fitted. Graphics, yeah, graphics is going to be next. I hate bikes with just plain plastics, so yeah, hopefully we should get some numbers on her soon this week, and then I'll decide which way I'm going to go for the graphics. Obviously, if I want to do this full-blown Smets replica, obviously there's quite a few bits and bobs I'm going to need to do. The frame's black, wheels are gold, and it's got a bit of nitride coating on the front forks. That's not a leak, by the way, that's just lubrication. So yeah, she's mint, she's up, she's running. Stay tuned for the channel. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, like and share if possible, and we'll catch you pretty soon. Thanks for your support. Bye bye. Yeah.